Lil' baby, lil' mama, lil' baby, lil' mama, lil' baby, lil' mama.
Hey Misia lovers, we're gonna do the simple yellow look, starting off with my dense crease brush. Starting at the outer corner, making its way up, following the crease in your eye.
Everything you do shows me you know it.
This is the transition shade, so I'm going to switch my brush to a more blending brush to completely blend that shade in. Switching to the tapered blending brush side, we're going to do the exact same motions but with a nuder tone. I got these two-sided bamboo brushes at Forever 21. The link will be in the description box.
Stay up all night, losing sleep over you. Drive myself crazy. Think about it's the way you are, the way you talk, babe. It's the way you love, the way you fuck, the way. It's the way you.
Going in with the blending crease brush, the smaller version of that side, we're gonna go in with a blackish grayish shade to create that smoky eye effect.
Girl, didn't I tell you at the jam club? We gon' make your neighbors turn your block club to my fan club. And it happened so fast. Damn, I'm glad I strapped up. Ask her when she finished, if she came, she said I laughed ya.
Now going in with my Wet n Wild concealer, we're gonna start at the outer corner and stop at the lid of your eye, creating an upside down U. Be careful because this step could get very messy if you don't take your time.
Dirty laundry in my closet, they be strung out on the street, left to dry with draw sheets and no deposit. But don't gotta worry, put my hand on your mouth, put my hands in your mouth, girl. We got friends in my house, you know the way.
It's the way you are, the way you talk, babe. It's the way you love, the way you fuck, the way. It's the way you are, you're a star, babe. It's the way you, it's the way you are.
On top of this, I'm adding primer just so the yellow shade I pack on will have a better hold. Going back in with the same shade we used at the beginning of the video, we're just going to blend it in with the yellows so they even out.
So damn important.
Using my defining eyeshadow brush, we're going to go in with that black gray color we used in defining the crease.
Don't tell you I love, but baby I'll show it, show it. He said the kick where we come from, take it out quick to no one. So baby I'ma drive it like it's stolen, I'ma fix it like it's broken. We can catch a flight, it's done. Go to the mall for the lump sum. They can try to catch up to us, but they're too busy making assumptions. Boy, you know all I do is stay up all night, losing sleep.
Once you're done putting on those eyelashes, we're done with this look. Bye Misia lovers, thanks for watching.
Drive myself crazy. Think about it's the way you are, the way you talk, babe. It's the way you love, the way you fuck, the way. It's the way you are.